How to activate follow button on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can activate and use the follow button on your Facebook profile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So I understand what you're talking about. You have your Facebook account, you have your Facebook page as well, and basically on your Facebook profile, instead of seeing the add friend request or something like that, you want people to see the follow button, right? I know what you're talking about. Well, it is very simple to do that. After you come to your profile page, you can see currently I have the edit profile and add to story button, but to activate the follow button I have to tap on the three dot icon which you see over here. Once I tap on the three dots icon, I'll be taken to this page where you have to go to the option called tune on professional mode, and over here you can see the option called tune on professional mode. Just tap on the tune on button over here, and when you tap on tune on professional mode, don't worry, it's not really going to change anything of your account. Once you've done that, now you can basically come back and professional mode will be enabled. Now when you refresh it, this time you can see 1.1k followers, which means that if other people view our profile, they will see the follow button. To prove that to you, I'll just tap on the three dots. I'll select view as. View as basically means how other people are going to be able to view our profile. So when other people view our profile, they'll successfully be able to see the follow button over here and the message icon. And this is how you can activate follow button on Facebook. That is simply by tuning on professional mode. If you want to, you can just turn this thing off. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.